Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Decor Diary. If you have been searching for a way to give your home a timeless, stylish, and elegant upgrade, then you are in the right place because today we are diving into the world of modern stone wall cladding design ideas for 2025. And trust me, this is one design trends you don't want to miss. Stone has always been a symbol of strength, luxury, and natural beauty, but in modern interiors and exterior decor, it has become much more than just a material. It is a statement that can completely transform the look and feel of any space. In this video, you will see how stone wall claddings, wall panel tiles, and veneers are being used in smart, creative, and absolutely stunning ways to make home look luxurious, cozy, and inviting. Whether it's your living room, your TV backdrop, your bedroom, ancient wall, or even exterior of your house. Let's start with the living room because that's where most people want to make a lasting impression. Imagine replacing a plain painted wall with a textured stone cladding that instantly becomes the highlight of the room. Whether it's a bold gray stone wall behind your sofa or stubble beige stone backdrop that blends beautifully with wooden furniture, the effect is nothing short of magical, and when paired with soft lighting or sleek modern decor, it gives your living room space both elegance and warmth. Now let's focus on TV unit back walls, one of the biggest stone wall trend for 2025. Instead of a flat background, homeowners are now using stone veneers and panel behind their television, creating depth and more amazing while also making screen wall a true centerpiece of the room. Pair it with floating shelves, hidden LED strips, or even modern electric fireplace, and you suddenly have a design that feels like it's belong in a luxury magazine spread. But the magic of stone is not limited to indoor. When you step outside, stone gliding becomes a powerful tool for making a strong first impression. House front wall, stone veneer installation ideas are booming right now because nothing say grand like a beautifully cladded entrance or faced. In 2025, homeowners are loving natural stone texture that balance rustic charm with modern line, giving exterior that timeless yet trendy look. A well-designed stone cladded front instantly boosts crop appeals, making your home stand out in the neighborhood. And the versatility does not stop their stone cladding look just as incredible on garden walls, patio, outdoor kitchens, or boundary walls, blending perfectly with greenery, wooden ancient, and glass element for that modern yet earthy vibe. Back indoors, stone wall tiles and panels are being used to refine bedroom, dining space, and even bathroom. Pictures a bedroom with a soft cream or a sandy stone ancient wall behind the bed. It immediately creates a cozy, calming retreat where texture adds warmth and depth. In the dining area, a textured stone wall behind your table makes family dinner feel more special, while in bathrooms, water resistance, stone cladding paired with ambient lighting gives a spa-like atmosphere that feels luxurious and refreshing every day. What makes stone so unique is its ability to adapt. Whether your style is rustic, farmhouse, sleek, modern, or even minimalistic, there's a type of stone cladding to suit your vision. In fact, one of the top design direction for 2025 is mixing stone with materials like wood, glass, and metal. Imagine a stone wall with wooden beams running across the ceilings or a staircase with a stone backdrop and glass railings. The contrast creates a stunning balance between natural textures and modern finish. When it comes to the color and finishes, earthy tones are leading the way this is years. Instead of overly polished and shiny surface, another reason why stone cladding is gaining popularity is its durability and its long lasting weather resistant and surprisingly easy to maintain whether you go for a natural stone, cultured stone or lightweight veneers. These options not only add beauty but also insulations helping to keep your home cool in summer and warmer in winter. And here's the best part, you don't need a massive home or a huge budget to enjoy the elegance of stone design. Even a small apartments, a single ancient wall can instantly elevate the overall look and make the space feel modern and stylish. If you are wondering how to style your stone wall, here's a few quick tips for 2025. Less is more, so don't overdo it. Balance rough stone texture with smoother finishes like wood, glass. Always think about lighting to highlight the beauty of the wall. Choose a color patterns that complements your existing furniture and flooring. And finally place stone in key areas like entryway, living room, TV wall or exterior for the biggest impact. So if you planning a makeover in 2025, don't forget to consider stone. It's strong, stylish, incredibly versatile. And with that, we have come to end today's design journey. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Decor Diary, and let us know in the comments which was your favorite idea. Your sports mean world and help bring even more.